In this exercise, you will learn about the butt welding operation by different welding processes. Take a 3mm or 0.12 inch thick mild steel MS sheet. Apply the chalk over the metal surface. Draw the profile of the job. Make permanent marks using dot punch. Hold in a bench vise. Tighten the vise. Cut the workpiece to marked dimensions using handsaw. Change the position of the workpiece and cut the remaining sides of the workpiece. File the workpiece. Check the perpendicularity of the workpiece using the tri-square. Now, the workpiece is ready for welding. Check the welding accessories like chipping hammer, carbon steel wire brush, tongs, goggles, and so on, and ensure they are ready in working condition. Use safety apparels such as leather apron, gloves, sleeves, shoes, and a helmet to ensure personal safety. All the above steps are common for different welding processes, which are discussed below. Now, the difference in butt welding operation for different welding processes are: for an arc welding process, select an electrode and fix it in the electrode holder. Hold the electrode at an angle of 75 to 80 degrees with the punched line of the job. For a TIG welding process, select a tungsten alloy heating filament and filler rod according to the welding current. Hold the torch at an angle of 70 to 75 degrees with the punched line of the job. Hold the filler rod as low as possible. For a MIG welding process, select an electrode wire according to the welding current. Hold the welding gun at an angle of 75 to 85 degrees with the punched line of the job. For a gas welding process, select a filler rod according to the thickness of the welding plates. Hold the blowpipe nozzle at an angle of 40 to 50 degrees with the workpiece, and filler rod at an angle of 30 to 40 degrees. The following steps are common for all welding processes, which are discussed above. Put tacks at the end and center of the workpiece over the weld length. Weld to full length of the workpiece by filling the material in the weld area. Hold the workpiece with the help of tongs and remove the burr on welded surface using a chipping hammer. Allow it to cool in atmospheric temperature for 5 to 10 minutes, and then drop it in water for complete cooling. To check the welded surface for cracks, we are doing dye penetrant test. Apply the penetrant over the welded area. Clean the workpiece using cleaner. Apply developer over the welded area and allow it to spread. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. The cracks will be visible, if any. Thus, you have learnt about the butt welding operation by different welding processes.
If you find the information useful, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.